Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. Happy Friday to everybody. I have a small tiny haul for you guys, and I'm also going to share my wreath project. I actually created it last night and I finished it. I was determined to finish. So I did end up finishing it after midnight. I stayed up. Um, I didn't use some of my ribbon. I'll show you guys what I used, but anyway, first let me go ahead and do my haul video, and then if you stay tuned at the end I will show you some pics. Actually, I can probably show you a little video of my wreath. It's already hanging on the front of my door, so love the way it came out. I was again looking for that heart-shaped wire wreath form. I did not find it. It looked like they were completely out at the Walmart I went to. So I did end up getting this one right here, and this is the 12-inch, and I believe this one came out to $1.77. So super cheap. Like I said, I didn't find any of these at the Dollar Tree, so I went ahead and just got it. So I'm super psyched to do another wreath. Since I have plenty of ribbon, I have plenty of what do you call it? Flowers. I had a lot left over actually. So I also had to get some pipe cleaners because I ran out. And I can't find my other ones. I only had 2 left that I had cut. So I went ahead and picked up some more so I can do another wreath. And then since I was there, I looked at some flowers. So I did pick this one up. So anyway, I thought this one was really pretty and it was inexpensive. Not as cheap as the Dollar Tree, but I think it was also $1 something. A little bit over $1. I know there was one that was 98 cents. And then I got this one. This one was kind of all by itself. And I thought it was a little bit cheaper, but I guess, I don't know, it is very pretty. And I don't know what this is called. Is this, I don't think this is a lily, is it? Maybe? So anyway, I decided to get this one and not really knowing what the price was. Yes, it's a lily mix. And I think it actually came out to $3. And I guess it's because it has other greenery in it, you know, like, and it has this here, whatever this is. It looks like baby's breath, but I don't think it is. Anyway, it's so pretty, and I only found one. I couldn't find any more. So I guess they ran out of those lilies. But anyway, I did pick up 2 of these. And then I was looking for a sign so that I can put it in the middle of my wreath, but I don't know. They were too big. So anyway, I didn't get any others. I did pick up some Snickers, which I shouldn't be eating, but anyway, I'll give them away. Picked up some milk chocolate dove hearts because I love the wrapping on this one. It's pink, and I'll probably end up getting the darks as well. So that is all I got. Actually, I didn't get very much. I told you guys it was a very small haul. But let me show you what I did use for my wreath. So the reason also I wanted to create a wreath is because I have this mesh and it's pretty long. It's probably like 19 inches. No, I think it's like 20, maybe 20 inches. And I've had this forever, you guys, and I bought it not really intending to make a wreath, okay, because I don't usually make wreaths. Anyway, it's so pretty, and the reason I got it was I was just gonna like maybe use it on my cards to add more texture, but then when I cut it, it fell apart. And so I kind of just put it away, never used it. I could have used this on my tree, but I don't know, I forgot all about it. But anyway, yeah, so this is what I used for my wreath. And I had plenty of it, and as you can see, I still have plenty. I used that, I cut it up, and I think I cut, because it's about 20 inches, and so I cut strips of 8 inches. 8 inches each, and I don't even know how many I cut. I did that one, and then I cut these. This is the one from the Dollar Tree. I did 6 inches of these, and then I also used this holiday ribbon that I've had in forever. My husband had gotten it for me, and I just never used it. Yeah, I just never used it. And, you know, again, this is like a Christmas, sorry, I'm out of frame, Christmas ribbon, I believe. But anyway, it doesn't really scream, you know, Christmas. It's basically, you know, it has stamps and it's like a postage theme. So, and then it has the red stitching on the edge, and it is wired. And I have plenty of it, you guys. I mean, it came in this huge roll, and these weren't cheap either. This is 50 yards. So I thought, I think this was gonna look nice. You know, because I didn't have burlap. I kind of wanted to add a bit more color than just the red. Because the red heart that I was using, the tinsel heart, that's the one I ended up using, is already red. And then I used the red mesh. So I added this. I cut, I think, about 7 inches. And then I did a fishtail cut at the edge of each side. And then I layered. So I layered the red mesh, and then of course you roll it up. And since that mesh is really long, I kind of folded it I folded it 3 times. And then this one, you roll it up like this. And then I had some red pipe cleaners. And then I put this ribbon, you know, of course cut. I put it here in the center. And then let's pretend. And then I had the red mesh underneath. And the red mesh is nice and fluffy because remember, it's that wider roll. And then all I did was I put the twist, not the twisty, but you know what I mean, this pipe cleaner. And all 3 of them, I just bundled up like this. And so I made several of those. And yeah, and then I just added it. I just attached it to my my wreath. So anyway, oh, and then I used the red roses. Remember the red roses that I had, and then the baby's breath. I used that, and I just, you know, hot glued that on. And that was it, you guys. It was so simple. Initially, I did have a little trouble just because I broke the wreath. First of all, I took out that long arrow in front. Remember, I had a long arrow in the front of it, and I pulled too hard. I didn't know it was hooked on the wreath, and I broke the wreath. So then I had to hot glue it, and then I wrapped some the pipe cleaner around, hot glued it some more just to make sure that it stayed in place, and it did. And then I made my wreath. So so stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys now how the wreath looks like.